Die da auf den Dächern oder in einem Baum singen und wir gehen vorbei und hören ihnen nicht zu. And if my song would be heard like that of a bird in a tree, would you hear me? Could you see me? Who makes the saddest sound by watching you and me, and how the world has gone to the brink of insanity. Would you hear me? Could you see me? And no one makes a sound, just a bird in a tree, with no more love and only greed. That how the world goes round, and no man lets the other one stand his own ground. Could you hear me? Could you see me? A bird don't need two pair of wings, he got one pair to fly. He doesn't lay up all his food until the day he dies. A bird don't need two nests to see his fledglings grow, and once they're old enough, he has his time to go. Fly high. And if my song would be heard like that of a bird in a tree, would you hear me? Could you see me? And no one makes a sound, just a bird in a tree, and no one makes a sound, just a wind and a